There's our back room. I don't know if you can see that snow.
And I went out one time.
Just blowing in. It's not blowing right this second, but...
Is Charlie thinking about going out?
Huh?
Is Charlie thinking about going out?
Charlie?
I thought you were talking to Charlie.
No, I'm talking to my camera.
I was just telling her about we've been snowbound all day. I went out once and tried to crank a Jeep and it wouldn't crank, and the windows never got above 0, and the wind is so cold with snow blowing in your face I couldn't last long. Honey Baby decides she wants to go out and shovel, so I'm going to look out the window for this moment.
I'll do one shovelful, it'll all come back in my face, and that will be the end of that. But look at this. You know, we have to shovel here before we can even get outside. Ooh-wee. Just look at that snow. There's our table over there. Oh, we cannot see the glider. That is completely buried. Oh, look at that. We still have some space over there for Charlie. All I got to do is get to it. Oh, that's cool. That'll be good for morning. Oh my goodness, I can't believe how much snow we have. There's a barrel that's upside down. I'm going to see that. So, I'm going to go grab the shovel. Okay. I got me a little path for Charlie, so he can get out. And this overhang has worked really well, because there's a little blown out spot over here again. So he's got a nice little space. He can come out and go pee. These snowdrifts are unbelievable. And go see what it is by the front door. I'll shovel a little over here, just to make a start. Oh man, unbelievable. Ooh-wee. I'll shovel a little, maybe.